decided to just come on here today and just kind of record a little bit of tonight's dinner. I don't like to cook with a dirty kitchen, so I'm gonna just clean everything up. All right, let's get started. I'm just getting older before we left, so eat something.
No! Delete me. Delete me.
Hey.
Mom!
Okay, so I'm about to make blood quarters. Usually buy a different one, but this is all Safeway had this time. I'm gonna wash it. I'm not gonna show it because I feel like, I don't know, chicken is like, it kind of grosses me out washing it. So I will be right back. Basically just sprinkled, seasoned it with garlic powder, salt, and pepper. And I'm gonna put it in the oven covered for, I don't know, I just usually, I don't time anything, I just eye it. I'll let you guys know. And it's gonna be covered, baking covered at 375 for a while. Then I'm gonna uncover it and glaze it. I'll show you guys the process. Okay,
that's right.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna start making the yellow potatoes. I need to pay attention to what they're called because I just grabbed them. I don't know, but they're so good. I like to cut them in rounds and then I season them with pepper and salt and I lay them flat, spread out on a baking sheet. And they just come out so good. They're really good. I'll show you guys. These are the potatoes. They're like yams. They're not red inside. They're yellow. So I'm gonna just wash these and cut off the ends and bake them. So I like to make sure that they're very dry. That way they don't interfere with the oil that I will be putting on the baking sheet. I know I feel like when they're wet they stick. So I like to dry them. That way the oil sticks to them really good as well once I'm seasoning them on that pan. I'm just gonna cut off the ends. I don't peel off the skin. I leave the skin on, but you see how they're yellow? They're not red. They're not as sweet as the yams, but they are sweeter than the usual potato. Okay, I'm gonna start putting these on the pan so I can clear up this cutting board so I can cut these other two. So what I like to do is cover these baking sheets in foil. That way I don't have to wash them afterwards. It makes cleaning up so much faster and easier. Drizzle some oil, some olive oil on this pan. And what I like to do is basically just set them all on there in a row, laying flat. Then I'll season them. So I'm gonna put some more oil on top, then the salt and pepper. Okay, I'm gonna do the next batch. Then I'm gonna rub the salt and pepper really well on both sides before sticking them into the oven.